thank you so much for your love in each and every video on my channel. With your help, we are now reaching towards 5k family member. You know what? Most of the people who sees my video do not subscribe me. So a hit to the subscribe button would be amazing. I have already showed you various tutorials like thanga painting, madhubani painting, woyli painting, kalighat painting, phat painting, cherial painting and many more. Today we will learn a beautiful composition by Jamini ROY. All the materials that is used in the painting are detailedly linked below. So don't forget to check the description box. There is also a special surprise available at last of this video. With that being said, let's roll the intro. Welcome to another session of Jamini ROY painting. Previously we have learned various Jamini ROY style of facial designs. We learned nose, eyes, lips as well as various facial shapes. We have learned how to draw a pure human figure drawing. We have not colored it, but today we will learn a colored animal design. After the body color is dried all over, we will start making the interior design drawing. I am using the same colors red, green for designing. Also, you might have noticed I am using a very thin brush. I am making details in the leg portion. Due to the reflectiveness of the light, you can't see it properly, but after another angle you can see it how beautiful it is looking right now. After the red markings are done, I am using some other colors. Instead of watercolor, you can always use oil acrylic color. Also, in case of intricate small little detailings, you can easily use a colored marker. Let's now quickly finish the design off. As I told you, for painting there should not be any limitations. To show that, here I am using a marker pen. It's just a color simple normal marker and using it for the detailings. In original this should be done in very thin brush, but to show you the flexibility I am using this.
Many of you have asked me about my private courses. Yes, there are some long detailed courses available in Skillshare and Udemy. There is detailed courses in Madhubani painting, woyli painting, phat painting, Meenakari, Persian as well as Tanjore painting. The prices are pretty low, but if you want to get a free access, I can give you a 7 to 14 days free trial on Skillshare. You can find the links in the description box. So why are you waiting? Let's come and join the beautiful sea of Indian folk art.
Now I will use my calligraphy marker, which is one of my favorite marker, and use that as a border design because the line is pretty thick in this case. Art is nothing but stored honey of the human soul. You just need to interpret it in a proper way so that everyone can enjoy the honey, the art of yourself. With the calligraphy marker, I have made this kind of border, but you can see there are some pretty empty spot for the blue paint, and that's why using a very thin brush, I am just fixing all my mistakes. With the same marker, I am now making the border of the animal. You can see the outer border should be thick, that's why I am using this kind of marker, and the inner side all the detailings will be done by another marker. Be slow and always be patient while doing this. Now I am using Sakura Micron pen, and it comes with a lot of sizes, so according to your size of your picture you choose your marker, and with that I will be doing the rest of the detailings. While doing this painting, if you have any sort of problem, don't forget to ask me. I will be always available for you. Just practice, give yourself a little bit time, and believe in yourself. I always try to keep my all videos real time so that you can see how slowly and in details I am doing, but sometimes it also makes the video boring. So for that reason I try to make a little bit of speed art, but make sure that you do according to your speed. Don't try to copy or emulate anyone, not only me but anyone. With that being said, let's now do some more work. Let's now add some more intricate detailings in the tail portion. We are almost done with this painting. I will finish up with the border design. I am adding some simple vertical strokes. I am first using a brush. Instead of brush, you can use any sort of pen, marker according to your pace. I will start with brush and then I will transition to another material to show you the flexibility. For me, I like the Tombow marker pen the best for the parallel lines. For that reason, in the other side, I am only using that. According to you, according to oneself, this preference will vary. So make sure you do it according to your pace. So let's now complete this. Our painting is almost done. Let's now give some final detailings in the face. I will be looking forward for your submission and your paintings so that I can see your artworks. After this final black outline, I will do some white outline. I am using here Sakura Jelly Roll pen. It is easily available. So with that, our painting is ready. Thank you so much for joining in today's class. I hope you learned a lot of new techniques here. If the background is still looking patchy to you, don't worry, that's the beauty of watercolor. In case of acrylic color, again I am saying, you won't see any kind of soggy or fakiness. With that being said, I will be looking forward to meet you in the next video, in the next lesson, in another day.
If you want to enroll in my free workshop where I teach various Indian art forms, you are welcome to do that. You just need to go to the description box and fill out this Google form. You have to write your name, your WhatsApp number, as well as the classes you are willing to attend. The classes date and timings will be notified you very soon. Make sure you press the submit button.